EasyFix Garage Door offers exceptional garage door maintenance services in Palm Desert, California. Their skilled technicians provide reliable solutions for all your garage door needs. Whether it's repairs, installations, or maintenance, they ensure top-notch service and customer satisfaction. Trust EasyFix Garage Door for professional and efficient assistance with your garage door in Palm Desert and surrounding areas. Contact our garage door maintenance today for consultation. Are you looking for a garage door maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found EasyFix Garage Door Repair. What is routine maintenance on a garage door? Garage door hardware requires occasional inspection. Check garage door tracks and hinges. Tighten moving part bolts and fasteners with a socket wrench or screwdriver. Check non-lift cable garage door rollers for wear. How often should a garage door be lubricated? The metal parts of your garage door need preventative maintenance like other things. Lubricate your garage door annually. This approach works for any noisy door. What is your garage door maintenance area for the Palm Desert, California office? Our local garage door maintenance has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Palm Desert, Sunfair, Chiriaco Summit, Borrego Springs, Anza, Hemet, Palm Springs, Yucca Valley, Desert Hot Springs, Morongo Valley, North Palm Springs, Desert Edge, Thousand Palms, Cathedral City, Cahuilla Hills, La Quinta, Cactus City, Indio, Coachella, California. Where is your Palm Desert, California garage door maintenance services located? We are located at 74399 CA 111 Suite D, Palm Desert, California 92260. Our phone number is 760-354-9983. Visit our website, https://easyfixgaragedoor.com.